Hello friends, welcome to another drawing session. Today we are going to draw a simple and beautiful natural scenery. So let's start. First I draw a tree in a corner of the picture like this. The branch here, the leaves like this, and here too. These leaves are so easy to draw, and the mountain and the sun like this. And I draw a house middle of the picture like this. Here few lines. This house is so much easy. The door and two windows, and other background details I add here and here, and branches somewhat as a line behind the house like this, and a few grass here and behind the tree also, and here too. So this is our natural scenery. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being with me.